got her bow, ready to shine, ready to glow.
Sweet and fun balloon time. Please document plan action.
We're going to start by pumping up our 260 white balloon and then tie a knot. We're going to start by making a pinch twist. And then we're going to make an 8 centimeter bubble and then another pinch twist. Now we're going to make an 8 centimeter bubble back to the first pinch twist. We're going to make another 8 centimeter bubble and tie it to the other pinch twist. And then we're going to make 2 3 centimeter bubbles. And then we're going to tie it to the pinch twist on the other side. You can now cut off the rest of your white balloon and tie a knot. Now pump up your 260 pink balloon and tie a knot. We're going to tie one end to one of the pinch twists. And then we're going to make an 8 centimeter bubble and then tying it to the pinch twist on the other side. And now what we're going to do is we're going to make 2 2 centimeter bubbles and we're going to stretch it across and tying it to the pinch twist on the other side. Make sure this is in between 2 white 8 centimeter bubbles. This makes a little cape. Feel free to squeeze the little cape in between her body so it fits a little nicer. Now we're going to make a 15 centimeter bowl and we're going to tie it to the pinch twist on the other side. This makes the really big part of her hat. You can now cut off the rest of the balloon, but make sure to save it. And then we're going to tie a knot on both ends. Now with that piece of pink balloon that you cut off, we're going to make a 10 centimeter bubble. Now we're going to tie a knot on the side with a long tail as well. And then just cut the rest of the balloon off. We're going to pump up the piece of balloon that we cut off. And we're going to make a 10 centimeter bubble, the same as the one that we just had as well. So we can make the 2 ears on her cape. Make sure to leave a tail. Then what we're going to do to attach the ears is just to tie it on the pinch twist on either side. And what we're going to do to make the ears meet in the middle is we're just going to wedge it in between the 2 pink pieces, and then we're just going to twist them around each other so it's secure in the middle. Feel free to bend and adjust your ears. And the twisting part is complete. Onto the drawing. We're going to grab a white marker and we're going to draw 4 little circles for the base of the flower on her head. Then using a yellow marker, we're going to color in her nose and color in the little middle spot of her flower. And then grabbing a black marker again, we're going to outline the flower. And then we're gonna draw on her little oval eyes. And we're gonna outline her nose. And give her a cute little smile. And your balloon My Melody is complete.
We'll have a balloon My Melody. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.